Okay, everyone, we are here. Airport time.
Wow, it's huge!
It smells like coffee and stress.
That's the airport smell. Come on, team.
Stay close to me, please. This place is busy.
Mom, can I push the suitcase?
Which suitcase?
The big one.
That one is heavier than you.
I'm strong.
Let him push the small one. That's the Ben suitcase.
Yes, I have my own suitcase. I'm a traveler.
Don't crash into anyone, traveler.
I won't. I'm careful.
Ben, slow down.
I'm slow. This is my slow.
All right, first stop, check-in. Hello?
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Good morning. We're flying to Istanbul.
Finally, I want to see the big city.
I want to see the airplane snacks.
We have 4 passports.
Thank you. And how many bags?
2 big suitcases and 2 small ones.
Your flight leaves at 9:20. Here are your boarding passes.
Which gate?
Gate 22. But please check the screens. Gates can change.
Gates can change? That's scary.
It's not scary. It's just airport adventure.
Please take laptops out. Liquids in a separate bag. Empty your pockets.
Okay, everyone. Phones, keys, everything in the tray.
Do I put my dinosaur in the tray?
Yes, Ben. Dino must go through security too.
Okay, be brave, Dino.
Shoes off, please.
Shoes off again?
Yes, it's the airport rule.
Oh no, my shoe escaped.
I got it and...
Come back, shoe.
Sir, please step back. Any metal?
Oh, my belt. I forgot. Sorry.
You're all set, sir. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Can I go now?
Little one, do you have coins in your pocket?
I have 2 coins and a candy.
Good job. Okay, everyone grab your things.
It's like a game where you lose your belt.
Let's go to gate 22.
Mom, this hallway is so long.
Yes, airports are like small cities.
We are in a movie.
Look, airplane toys.
We can look for 1 minute. 1 minute only.
1 minute is very short.
Let's see the price. Wow, that airplane is flying away with our money.
Airport prices are crazy.
So, no?
Not today. But how about a small snack instead?
Snack is good too.
Okay, choose something simple.
Can I get a sandwich and water?
Can I get chips and juice?
1 chips, 1 juice. And also a banana.
A banana? Why?
Because moms are moms.
The banana is my destiny.